this is worth a look. These are Franklins sitting here. And I have never had the opportunity to look at a Franklin. Got the wooden wheels, but I've never seen a leaf spring design like that. We'll call it an over-under. I'm sure someone out there will have some knowledge on this, because it's the first time I've ever seen anything like it. But that's cool. You see the muffler's rotted right in half. That's neat. Never seen a muffler do that. And then we have a more complete one sitting here. What a cool car. That would be awesome, hot rodded out. These guys restore Franklins in this building over here. And I did a little walk around video called What's This Car? Or Guess That Car? That's what it was. Guess That Car, because I had no idea what it was. Wow, that's a lot of work. And I don't imagine you can get many parts for these. I just like doing features of cool stuff. Especially stuff I've never heard of and get to learn about. Like a big monster headlights. You see the other one doesn't have them. I guess they're building one by the looks of things.